Hello dear students, welcome back. This is 7th lesson on mensuration for O levels and IGCSE exams. In today's class, we are going to learn about the volumes of different solids. In last class, we learned about the surface area, and in today's lesson, we are going to learn about the volumes. Let us start today's class. Lesson number 7, mensuration. Volume of different solids. First of all, we are going to discuss prism. What is prism? Prism is a three-dimensional solid that has two identical ends, flat faces and uniform cross section along its length. For example, this is a rectangular prism or box. This is its cross section and it is uniform throughout its length. Similarly, this is a cylinder. Its cross section is a circle and its area is uniform throughout its height. Similarly, this is a triangular prism. Its its cross section is a triangle and its area is uniform throughout its length. So this is called triangular prism. In such shape, volume is equal to area of cross section multiplied by length. For example, volume of this shape will be area of this side multiplied by this length. And for solid, this will be area of this triangle, this circle multiplied by its height. And for this triangular prism, it will be area of this triangle multiplied by this length. So volume of any prism is area of cross section multiplied by its length. So what will be area, volume of this cuboid? It will be, suppose this is length, this is height and this is width. It will be length into height multiplied by width, or length into width into height. For cylinder, its top cross sectional area is pi r square and this is h. Its volume will be pi r square h. Similarly, its volume will be area of the triangle multiplied by this height or this length. Let us solve a few examples. Number 1, we have to find the volume of this prism. This is a cylinder. What is its cross sectional area? Pi r square. And what will be its volume? Its volume will be pi r square multiplied by height 10. 16 pi into 10. This will be 160 pi centimeter cube. Similarly, this shape, its cross section is this. Area of cross section will be area of this shape, which is a rectangle. This is 2. From here we can see this is 2 and this is also 2. This is 1, so this will also be 1. This is 6. What will be this length? It will be 5. This is 5. This is 2. What is this area? This area is 10. And what is this area? This rectangle. This is 5 multiplied by 1. This is 5. So the area of cross section is 15 centimeter square. And what is its length or its height? Throughout its height is 5 centimeter. So volume will be area of cross section multiplied by height, 75 centimeter cube. I hope this is clear. Now we move on to next shape. Again, this is a prism. This is its cross section. How we find area of this cross section? This is a square of side 1. This is a square of side 1. So its area is 1. Its area is 1. And what is this? This is now, this is 4, 2, 1 plus 2 plus 1. This is 4 and this is 4 minus 1, 3. 4, 3. And its area will be 4 into 3, 12. So what is area of cross section? 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 12. This is 14 area of cross section. And what will be the volume? Volume will be area of cross section multiplied by 5. This will be 70 centimeter cube if it is in centimeter, or unit cube, whatever is the unit of these lengths. Its next part is this shape. We have to find its volume. This is again a prism. This is its cross section. I will divide it into 3 rectangles. This is 1, this is 2. So this area is 2 into 1, 2. This is 2 plus 1, 3. This is 2. This area is 6. This is 3 plus 1, 4. And this is 2. 4 into 2, 8. So what is total area of cross section? Area is 2 plus 6 plus 8. This is 16 centimeters square. And volume of this shape will be 16 multiplied by this length, which is 8. 128 centimeter cube or unit cube, whatever is the unit of these lengths. I hope this is clear. Now we move to this shape. This is the cross section of this prism and this is its length. So what I will do, this is a rectangle, this is 7, this is 5. So its area will be 35. Again, this is 5 and this whole height is 12. This is 7. So this will be 5. So what is area of this triangle? This triangle's area is base into height over 2. This which is 25 over 2. So 25 over 2 plus 35. Area is of cross section is 35 plus 25 over 2, which will make 95 over 2 centimeter square. And this length is 8. So its volume will be 95 over 2 multiplied by 8, which will be 95 into 4, which will be 380 centimeter or unit cube, whatever is the unit of these lengths. I hope this is clear. Now we come to this shape. This is basically a parallelopipt. No, sorry, not a parallelopipt. This is a trapezium. So its cross section is a trapezium. Area of cross section will be, what is area of trapezium? B1 plus B2 into H over 2, where B1 is sum of, B1 is length of one parallel side, H is this distance between these two parallel sides, which is 5 over 2 into 4 plus 7. This will be 55 by 2, area of cross section, and hence its volume will be 55 by 2 multiplied by 5. Unit cube. So this will be its volume. 137.5, not 13.75. This is 137.5 unit cube. Now we come to the next shape. After prism, we are going to discuss sphere, and volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. We have to find the volume of these two spheres. For sphere A, volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi, r is 8 cube. And for second sphere, volume is 4 by 3 into pi into 16 cube. Please do simplify it by yourself. So sphere has volume 4 by 3 pi r cube. I hope this is clear. What is pyramid? Pyramid is a three-dimensional shape. It has a polygon as a base and it has flat triangular faces like this. This is a quadrilateral base, might be a square, might be a rectangle, might be any quadrilateral. It has 4 faces, 1, 2, this rear face and this face. All faces are triangle, and they have one joint common point which is called its apex. So what is volume? Volume of any pyramid is 1 by 3 into base area, this base area multiplied by this height, direct height. The height is distance of this apex from the base, perpendicular distance, shortest possible distance. This is hexagonal pyramid. Its base is a hexagon and it has 6 faces, each of which is a triangle, and this is the apex. So what is volume of a pyramid? It is 1 by 3 into base area into height. Let us come to this question. Find the volume of this pyramid. What is its base? Its base is a rectangle. This angle is 90. It has length 5, width 4. So what is its base area? Its volume will be 1 by 3 into base area 5 into 4 into its height. Height is also given. This is 6. 40 centimeter cube. I hope this is clear. Next, we are given the base area of this hexagon, which is 50 centimeter square, and its height is given 8. So its volume will be 1 by 3 into base area into 8. 400 over 3 centimeter cube. In next shape, this is a triangle. This is a triangle, right angle triangle. This is its base. This is its height, unknown. This is its one side. So by using Pythagoras theorem, I can find this height. This will be what? This will be, area of this triangle will be 8 into 10 over 2, 40 centimeter square. This is the base area and its height is 8. So volume will be 1 by 3 into base area into 8. 320 over 3 centimeter cube. Volume of a pyramid is 1 by 3 base area multiplied by height. Again, this is a base. Its area is 6 multiplied by 7, 42 centimeter square. Base area into height, volume will be 1 by 3 into 42 into this height, which is 8. Simplify it by yourself. Next shape is cone. Cone is shaped like this. Its base is a radius, a circle with radius r, and this is its height h. This is its apex. So its base area is pi r square and its height is h. So its volume is 1 by 3 base area multiplied by height. We have to find the volume of this cone. Volume is 1 by 3 pi r square into height, which is 100 pi, of course, centimeter cube. Next, last question for today. Base area is, its volume is 1 by 3 pi r square, 18 square multiplied by 28. You can solve it with the help of calculator. It will again be centimeter cube. So dear student, in today's class, we learned about finding the volume of different solids. In next class of this topic, we will inshallah start solving past year questions from the exam. Please do subscribe this channel and also share it with your friends. Stay tuned. Allah Hafiz.